Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about
Not here.
I'm going to talk about
Today, yeah.
today I'm going to talk about
Today,
today I'm going to talk about
today and talk about sitting postures.
yes, absolutely right. I'm going to talk about the sitting postures. Okay, I just want to know if you are in an age group, how you are going to sit. That is also important. What age group we are talking about? If you are very young, you can sit on the ground, and if you are age old, maybe 55 plus or 60, then you will have to sit on the top. You have to sit not on the ground but on the top. How you are going to sit? About that, I'm going to speak about. Yeah, firstly, I'm going to speak about the youngsters, like how you have to sit. Like how you have to sit. How we have to sit.
No, you're
How we have to sit. So you are so young, you can't be able to sit on the ground. So you better try to sit in a Padmasana posture. If at all you're not able to sit, at least try this Ardha Padmasana. That also you can try. One more is that's the best. Padmasana is the best posture I first suggest. Then you can go for either Vajrasana. Even that is also a good posture if you're sitting on the ground. Then otherwise, this is Hanumasana. Even that is also a very good posture. You can try all these three poses if you are sitting on the ground. That has got no side effects and you will not have any future pains. It's all the safe postures. You can try all those. So when you are going to sit, if you are sitting ground, you can sit in all these three postures. Whatever I said now, you can do that. Other ways, you can always sit on this. What in English? I don't know in English. Money. You can sit on that. That is not going to harm anything. You have to sit straight. You always sit that your spine is straight. That's very important. Either in which of the postures you are sitting, your spine has to be absolutely straight. See, this is a Padmasana posture. Like how she's going to demonstrate. Tell me how you are going to sit.
See, first we have to sit like this, normal sitting posture. First we have to put this leg and we have to put this leg like this and sit.
And sit.
This,
Okay.
the left leg, sorry, right leg or left leg has to be on like right leg, right pad, and this has to be on left.
So this is a Padmasana posture. This is a full complete Padmasana posture. You can sit either in this or else if you can't sit like this, you can't put both of your legs alternate postures. You can just try once, only one. One will be on your left. That's all. That's all you can do. Either the left will come on the right or right. Any one. At least if you can try this, that's also a fine posture. If at all you can't sit in both the postures, you just sit in a Aram posture like how you are sitting down normally.
Normally.
No, normal. That also you can sit. And one more is Vajrasana. Yeah. This is Vajrasana posture. You can sit like this. You can sit like this. This is also a best posture. Get up. You have to sit straight. Your back, your spine should be straight so that you'll not have any back pain. If you're bending like this, that is fine. But you never bend back like this. This is a wrong posture. You have to sit straight. Your spine from the neck till the tailbone, it has to be straight. That is the best posture. If at all you're not able to sit, just go lean front, not to the back. If you are leaning back, the spine is going to be twisted or something like that. So never go back.
We will go like this back. It will only.
If you are going back, you have to go completely and lie down on the support on the ground. You have to lie down, not like half posture, like 45 degrees, 70 degree. Don't no, not that is not suggested.
This is wrong.
This is wrong. Yes, you have to either you can fully completely you can lie down wherein the whole back gets the support.
Like sleeping. We can live like.
You can also sit in this posture. This is Hanumasana, where Hanuma used to sit in front of Rama in this posture. Even this is the best posture, but a little bit difficult. As on practice, you can do this. Even this is a
I will
best
show you
posture.
how to do. I will sit like this. First leg I will put like this. Second leg, how to put this is very simple. First I will put this. How to put this means you have to go up and put this leg.
Yeah, this is a Hanumasana posture. That is also a very good posture. You can try all these postures if you are young and if you are sitting on the ground. That these three are the best postures wherein you can try all these. And you can also use that what I said, that wooden thing, money. You can use it. That is also.
Pause my.
You can also sit on this type of money, provided the one advantage of using this is your tailbone will not get affected if you are using and if you are sitting
We have
on
to
this.
not go back also.
Yeah,
We can go only front.
you can go front. You should do not go back. That is
Back, we will go back means we will fully we have to lie down, not half like this.
yes, exactly. That's what you have to follow. If you are young and you want to sit down, then it's the best posture wherein you can sit. And what I'm trying to tell is your posture should be very very perfect. Otherwise, what happens when you are the complete pressure should be uniform on the whole of your spine. The body weight, everything should be uniformly distributed. When you are just lying back, the whole pressure falls on the thigh bone, which we are not aware. Once we get a problem, then only we will realize about all those. So your postures, the weight should not fall on the tailbone. That is the tip of the spinal cord. That should not fall. So all these three postures are safe. It is not affecting your tailbone, and the weight, the body weight is not falling on your tailbone. It is uniformly distributed provided you sit straight and your spinal is straight. You can bend forward. You can always bend forward. It has got no side effects. But bending to the back is always a problem. So this much is clear. You can sit in any postures. You can sit either straight. You can sit straight. Your spine has to be straight, or else you can lean at the front. And if you are sitting above on some sofa, three-seater, or some divan, or some cot, anywhere, if you're sitting, you are lying back. What happens? You feel comfortable in the cushion. You feel like going back. You see to that cushion is provided till the neck. Till here, you should have a cushion. Otherwise, it is of no use using it. Better, if you want to take a support, you have to take a support to this junction area itself. Only to the waist portion, you have to keep some pillows and sit. If you are sitting on some sofa, see, three-seater, anywhere, if you are sitting on the top, not on the ground, then what you have to see is, see, here is a bone, here is a waist bone, and here is also a bone. This middle portion where you don't have a bone, to that portion you have to keep a pillow. That also helps to relieve from your back pain or whatever it is. You have to put a pillow only for this particular area. If you are simply taking a support of the cushion wherein the pressure, wherein the cushion is for the whole area, that doesn't help. You should have a cushion or as any pillow or whatever, some hard surfaces, that should be only for this particular area. If you're completely lying on the cushion, it is of no use. So only for this particular area you have to give a support. That is what you have to see, what pain you're getting, and to that pain. So depending on your pain, if you're getting pain in that, where you, the exact point where you're getting a pain for that particular area, you have to keep a pillow and give some pressure so that the pain goes. So for you to have safe from the pain, you should see to your posture. You should never lie at the back. You don't lean like this and sit. That looks good, but it gives a great pressure on the tailbone, which is gradually affecting the spine. So don't take the support of this cushion. Even if you are taking a cushion, your posture should be 90 degrees. See, if you are, one second, if your posture is like, if you're having a cushion like this, the complete 90 degrees should get a support from this. What I mean, if it is your sofa, you have to completely lie down to the sofa in this way. Then only it helps. If you are going back like this and you are forming a degree here in the cushion, if you are just taking a help of a cushion, the back cushion, only this particular area you will be getting a cushion, and this particular area you don't get a cushion. So what happens? This starts paining for you gradually. If you want to be safe, you always go a little back and lay down straight and take complete support of the cushion. Otherwise, don't take at all. You just come from the cushion and sit. That is also best. Otherwise, go fully to the cushion and sit. You have to take a, I think I made it clear. You have to take the whole spine should get the support of the cushion, or else none of the bone should get the support of the cushion. If you are taking only this, only above portion is getting help of the cushion and rest is not taking the support of the cushion, that may lead to a gradual pain of the spine. Take care. And it also gives a pressure on the tailbone. Tailbone is a peculiar and the tip of the spinal cord. It is not at all felt. Most of them will not even know what is a tailbone is. That is just the bone which is above the anal area, which is very typical bone and also very tiny bone. That bone will get it is something like a 360-degree rotation. It has got, the bone has got, the Grouts creator is like that. The bone is very peculiar and it is very delicate even. So protect it. Don't take a support of this, and it will give more pressure on the tailbone, and gradually you may have a pain in the spine, anywhere across the spine. So sit properly when you're sitting. Take complete support, or else don't take the support. That's what I suggest. I think I made it very clear. Follow these. If you are young and sitting on the ground, the final what I'm going to conclude is that if you're sitting on the ground, you take a support. You take follow either Padmasana, Vajrasana, and Hanumasana, all in the straight postures, or else come front and speak. That's also a good one, but never go back. That is always a bad thing for the spine. I think that's it for today. If you want any talk about any other particular things, you please mail me in this comment section. Let me talk on those. Okay, and the next topic will be more interesting. In the next video, I'm going to talk about. Okay, let me tell you that in the next video itself. Take care. Bye bye.